up, guys? This is Big D, and once again, you're watching Big D Films. I am standing next to the Maumee River, and behind me, you'll see the Interurban Bridge, otherwise known as the Ohio Electric Railroad Bridge. This bridge back here was constructed in 1908, and used to be a passenger, trolley railroad bridge. And it was last used in 1937 or so-ish, and was added to the historical places registry in 1972. And today, this is where our journey begins. So, once again, another beautiful day. I can't pass it up. And we're down here just a little south of Waterville. And we are going to be doing another version of the Maumee River Run. And the last time I've really done anything down here, we went to Napoleon 2 years ago. And before that, we rode a little bit of the Maumee River 4 years ago. So, but this time, I'm going to be doing something a lot different. There's actually a nice ride and route and road on either side of the river, on the north side and the south side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this road here that we are currently on, and that runs pretty much all the way down the river, and we're going to take that all the way to about Defiance or so. From there, we might have to backtrack just a smidge to about Napoleon, because there's not really anywhere to kind of cross over to the south side and ride a nice road with it. It kind of follows starting in about Napoleon. So we might backtrack to Napoleon, take a bridge over, and then ride that other road on the south side of the river all the way back up. So that's currently the plan. So again, this is where our journey today begins. And we're going to be riding along the Maumee River, the north side and the south side. So stick around, join me for the ride. It's going to be a good one. Well, guys, I don't know exactly what these are, but they're right along the Maumee River. And we are just outside of Defiance. I'm stopped here because the road is closed just a little bit further down, and that's where a little park was on the side of the road, right next to, I mean, literally on the river, and that's where I was gonna stop, but I can't get to the damn thing. So, we're stopping here instead. And these were here on the side of the road, and I don't really know what they are, what they're for, not a clue. So, hello. A lot of bikes out today, which is really nice to see. I'm glad everybody's actually getting out and being able to enjoy it. It's a nice day out. That route, especially after Napoleon, 424 outside of Napoleon to Defiance, this entire stretch of road is absolutely amazing. I loved it. I'm kind of glad I get to go and take that back to be able to get to Napoleon so that I can get to the south side of the river. So it was amazing. I really enjoyed it. Thoroughly enjoyed it. So, but it was just going to taking a quick stop, stretching the legs just a bit, and we're going to get back on the road. This has definitely been a nice ride, and I'm glad that you guys are sticking around and joining me for it. Stick around. We have the south side of the Maumee River coming right up. Well, guys, this is where our trip began, and here is also where it ends. Normally, I start these videos out right around home, but in order to get to the current location that I'm at, there's like a half hour of nothing but straight freeway. So, pretty boring, and we're just kind of going to skip all that. So, the south side of the river was a lot of fun. There were some sections that were a little rough, like the road probably could be redone, but other than that, it was very, very nice. And the entire road and the entire route was so much fun. With sitting here at this location and going all the way around and back to here, it was 100 miles or so. A big 100-mile loop. And it was so much fun. And I'm gonna have to do this again because I thoroughly enjoyed that. I wish I could have got to the little roadside park in Defiance. I looked it up before I did the ride today, and I really wanted to stop there and get a little video of the river. But unfortunately, since they had the road blocked off, that wasn't a thing. But regardless, it's been a lot of fun, and again, I'm not going to film the way back home because it's nothing but freeway. It's boring. Who wants to see all that? So I want to thank all you guys for watching, and if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you don't miss nothing. I know we have several new subscribers over the past week, 2 weeks, something like that. So I appreciate your support, and you can find a whole bunch of other stuff here. I did the Road to Discovery series some time ago. I did a 9-day trip in the Smoky Mountains, and like a 6-day trip around up in the Upper Peninsula and Milwaukee. So you can find all that stuff here. And even if things don't get quite back to normal, we can do some normal things. I'm gonna try to at least keep doing things like this because this was a blast. So with that being said, guys, I am Big D. You've been watching Big D Films, and I guess until next time, we'll catch you on down the road.